More throwaways, nigga.
Looking for a yellow bone, long hair star.
Mm-hmm.
Looking for a yellow bone, long hair star.
Okay.
Looking for a yellow bone, long hair star.
These are throwaway verses. Yeah, this beat.
I'm looking for a yellow
Oh.
bone, long hair star.
Yup.
Dick in the hips, come get in my car.
In my Vic.
Looking for a yellow bone, long hair star. Dick in the hips, come get in my car.
Yup.
I'm looking for a yellow bone, long hair star.
Oh.
Dick in the hips, come get in my car. Looking for a yellow bone,
Black and yellow shit. Money man. Check it. These hoes worthless, like a bag of slop. I guess that's why I let my dogs have a shot. Don't you come talking crazy unless you have a Glock. I'll say then, better have it caught. I'm gonna see the glow at the trapping spot. With niggas in red with green and yellow like a traffic stop. Okay, I'm on overload with the stacks of guap. On showboat with the flashy watch. Hoes is the no-no if they brag a lot. Got everybody in my business like a job opening. You niggas money funny, and I'm not joking. I'm counting cash, getting ass and pot smoking. So shit I open, and I'm Glock token. So don't come too close, cause all I know is my side like the compass broke. And where them hoes at, cause tell them I'm coming through when that photo, yeah. Okay. Throwaway verse. I ain't writing to you beats either. In case you like, damn. What the fuck you talking about? Money man. Check it. High as fuck, and I can't sleep. Rolling up again, it's a must that I cheat. I'm feeling like it's been months and it's been weeks. I need some rest, but the money won't let me. Still shorting nigga grams with my eyes heavy. Ounces 26 or 7. Every extra gram building up a smoke sack. I've been to jail 3 times, I ain't trying to go back. So we killing niggas if they living where a damn roach at. In the hoes, man, under them flow mats. Exterminators in the trap house, no rats. I'm trying to try away from them damn Kojaks. Long coat shaft and the Griffin throwbacks. And the Mike Larrys, the Marcuses, Foley knots and shit. I got a lot of dodging to do. And now they only involving you. I need a damn boo. Yep. Okay. Yeah. Money man. See what I'm going through? I need a bitch. But I got a bitch. And I love you. But I don't trust you. Nah, I can't cuff you. Cause I ain't a sucker. Crazy, right? But this is bitch shit. No baby whites. Had these niggas hoes acting so ladylike in the club, down near froze with your lady light. I got flavor ice, cherry diamond, look like some laser lights. Final draft, I got my paper right. Touch it and I'm shooting like I'm afraid to fight. But all the niggas with me, yeah, they crazy, right? See it grow, ho. That's where we at. Me and my niggas, yeah, we running through the weed patch. I smoke 2 blunts apiece, that's a rematch. I say money over bitches make her lay on the G-stacks, but I won't let her keep that. I just entered in the G-code on the keypad and locked the streets down off a couple G-packs. So where the freaks at? Yeah. Money man. Money mafia. See the grove. We taking over. Facts out now. I can't explain myself. Out now. Real niggas only on the way.